Assalamu alaikum. In Gaza, finding food is no longer about hunger. It's a daily fight to survive. That's why today, on Saturday, the 3rd of January 2026, we Alkhidmat Foundation Pakistan are here in the kitchen to prepare hot meals to our displaced families to give them a moment of relief and a reason to keep going. Stay with us, there is much more to share. Here we are at Asma shelter. We're going now to distribute these meals to our displaced families to bring them warmth in these cold days. Thanks to all our supporters. This work wouldn't be possible without your support.